So I'm here with Jake, and Jake is going to solve this Rubik's Cube for us, but first I'm going to mix it up as thoroughly as I possibly can so everybody knows that this is legit. Let's see, I hope this looks as mixed up as it actually is. Everybody can agree? All right, Jake. Don't start yet. We're gonna start a stopwatch. Hey, start with white because that's facing me. Okay, this is our.
Well, it won't be facing you yourself.
This is our stopwatch. We're gonna set it right here. On your marks, get set, go. Good job, buddy. Want to see your time?
Oh, that's good.
That's a pretty good time. 1:28, and that was probably 2 or 3 seconds slow at
125?
stopping the clock. I'd say 1:25 is pretty accurate. Great job.
Thanks.
So the whole reason we're doing this is because Jake worked so hard at learning how to solve the Rubik's Cube and solve the majority of the cube without looking at any YouTube videos or cheating in any way. It was really only the last layer that we looked up the algorithms for together, and since then he's even taught me how to solve the Rubik's Cube, which is pretty amazing in itself. Great job, Jake.